Dikit. Ngunit ang kamong magsud sa usawa. Dikit. By the authority committed unto me as a minister of Limbatan Christian Church of Bohol Incorporated, I declare that Miljon Catorza Abangan and Gladys Rasunabi are now legally married. According to the ordinance of God and the law of the Republic of Philippines, Article 7, Section 2 of the Family Code Administrative Order Number 1, Series of 2007, and the PSA license and to be expired December 31, 2026. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Whatever therefore God has joined together, let no man separate. I repeat, bisan kinsa nga niusa kang Kristo, dili na